Somebody mention birds? Thaibirdspot. This is a male blue-banded kingfisher, and this is the female. This pair were observed at Kaeng Krachan National Park, excavating a burrow for their nest. As I've mentioned before, observing birds at the nest or when they're building their nest can be detrimental to the birds. But as always, we keep a very safe distance and use pop-up hides as not to disturb the birds. The pop-up hides that we use really are a fantastic product which you should check out for yourself. Take a look, see in the description below, and see what you think. They really are a must for any birder. The blue-banded kingfisher is a resident breeding bird here, but can be extremely hard to find and is mainly only found in the deep south of Thailand. So finding this pair here at Kaeng Krachan National Park really was a great find. So here we observed the female checking out the nest burrow to see if it was suitable. While she was inside checking it out, the male turned up with a plump little fish as an offering. But he seemed to sit there for quite a while before she accepted him. Blue-banded kingfishers like to hunt along fast-flowing forested streams, giving their piercing call as they fly. So, as we always say, if you want to see the bird, learn the call. As you can hear, this call is quite similar to that of the common kingfisher. Then I presume there was some sort of signal to say, hey, all's okay. And then off he flew straight into the nest, hopefully to get down to business. Anyway, that's it for another little video, this time on the blue-banded kingfisher. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do the usual, like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends. And don't forget to check out our bird hides. These Superhide products are absolutely fantastic and a must for any keen birder. That's it for now. See you on the next one. Bye for now.